And say hi and thanks for subscribing to my channel and watching my videos. And I mainly post videos on my family channels, and when I get time I'll post a random video over here. You know, if I find something interesting to talk about, I may just post it here as well. But mainly it'll just be my random videos I post. Anyway, yeah, baby's sleeping. Oh, she's waking up, I think, a little bit. Yeah, I gotta go out to eat a little bit. I'm tired. Sometimes I just got to take a break from cooking, you know, go out to eat. But anyway, here's a prank my daughters played on me. Of course, you know, I play pranks on them and they prank me right back. But this time, when you go in a room, make sure you look up above your head because you never know what's going to fall down. Oh, yeah, she already figured this out. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ready? Sit down. Sit down. Are you ready? I'm going to pull you. What the? What? I need like a moment to process all this.
Oh my god. Oh, look, she wants the toilet paper now.
Alright, there's some random papers and toilet paper just fall out of the sky.
Yep. Woo!
Caitlin, are they silly? Could you? Alright, pick up all this mess. Let's go for a carpet ride. You ready? Hey Caitlin.
Fine.
Hey Caitlin. I know what we should do. We should start playing dodge paper.
Copycat.
Dodge paper. What are you doing? How'd you like all that snow the other day, huh? How'd you like all that snow the other day? Wow, we had all that snow the other day, but it's all melted now. Tells you how long that stuff lasts. It doesn't last long at all. It comes and goes. We tried the sleigh ride down there, snowboard, what have you, but it just melted too fast, really. It's the way it is around here, you know. We don't get much snow, but when we do, it only lasts like maybe a day or so and it's gone. It's not like up in New York, especially upstate New York, you know, where you get snow and it's like, it's there for months at a time, and then you get more snow on top of more snow, and then more snow piling on top of old snow, and before you know it, you got over 2 feet of snow, and most of it's, you know, compiled snow. And snow drifts and all
How
that.
did I not know that in here the baby has all these washcloths for her to get washed off with?
I don't know. It's a mystery.
It's like they've been here forever, but I never knew they were in here.
Just like we have something hiding in the washing machine that steals socks. We don't know what kind of animal it is, but it steals the socks.
Oh, that's scary.
Right, Caitlin? Who's stealing the socks? When we go to wash and dry the clothes, sometimes the sock will be missing.
Say, I do. You like what I did to her hair? So cute. And
Wow, would you look at that?
I bet everyone's like, ugh, I don't like your hair, but it's actually cute to me. With this shirt. My Aeropostale shirt.
Caitlin taking a nap. Let's see. A little wireless. I can see this anywhere on the internet, no matter where. So she's taking a nap, and I decide to go up to the next room. Then I see her. Isn't that pretty neat? Watch. Can hit it by remote.
Exceptional.
Well, Caitlin's taking a nap. What are you guys doing?
She's making me do a spelling test.
Number 15 is going to be a biggie.
We're gonna watch. This turns on the light downstairs. And let's watch. You can see her. Ready? What did I do? You ready? See
You
her?
definitely didn't turn the light on.
See?
Oh my gosh!
So cool! Do it again!
Oh my gosh!
Do it again!
Did you see out the window? I was just showing her a second ago.
Well, let me see. Here, sit in for real quick, right there.
Look at it. It's starting to come down again.
Whoa! It's so white!
It's like you're looking at a winter wonderland.
I know, right? Winter Wonderland. No.
But I can't open it?
No, leave the blinds down. What you doing, huh? Yeah, you gotta have the blinds down around here, you know? You don't want anybody peeping in the house. You know, there might be spies out there, especially if you got annoying neighbors who butt into your business and want to know everything you're doing. Can't even go sleigh riding outside without peace. You know, someone's got to complain about this or that. But who cares, right? I live my life happy. They can live their life, do whatever they want to live. You know, live how they want to live. I want no part of them.
It's okay. Just do
That's
this.
Angel.
Do this with your hands.
Get your booty back in there.
Wait, we don't know if it's a boy or girl or not.
Well, it doesn't matter to me. Henry is now a girl and a boy name.
Can I pick it up,
Did you
Daddy?
ask how in the world that is possible?
The black one nips.
Oh my gosh!
He's trying to get out.
They
You
just,
should name it Muscles.
No.
come on. Daddy, will it bite me?
The black one.
That thing almost nipped me.
If
Henry.
If you was smelling you, and it's not a thing. It's
I
Henry.
think that one may be like.
Oh,
her
Caitlin's
dog.
sleeping back there.
Oh,
I want to put a hamster on my face. I'm just kidding.
No!
Oh.
Are you scared to pick it up?
I
Really?
haven't held a hamster in like years, Brianna.
We haven't held a hamster in about 2 years because our last one.
I'm just
Got
kinda,
stuck in the walls.
It's kind of nerve wracking because you don't know what's gonna bite you.
Yeah,
or
Daddy,
not.
the last hamster we
It's a
had.
gamble, isn't it?
Yeah. All right, watch out, Brittany. I'm picking up mine. Or ours.
I'm scared. Because you could just like bend down and like bite your hand.
Yeah. Ew.
Where did it get so tunnels?
What happened?
We'll show you it again.
Is
he doing it?
Cam going?
Is he doing it? Yeah. Yeah. Is he doing it?
He's trying to. Oh, he's going in. He's going in. Oh, he got back out. Go back in. He's going in. He's going in. I what they want, Brittany. He goes through it.
Go back in there.
Oh my gosh.
Daddy.
Go back. Go back. Go back.
like an obstacle course for them.
Yeah. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming back out. No,
They
no, 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 no.
usually leave surprises behind when they walk there.
There is a surprise.
Right?
in
They
there.
leave surprises all over.
They did. There's some dookie in there.
Come on. Not really. Well, he did dookie.
Girl, what's your language?
They wanted hamsters, so I decided to go ahead and let them have them. They said they needed some pets to kind of cheer them up and pets they can actually play with without allergies bothering them. I'm surprised that hamsters don't bother your allergies, but cats really do.
Well, that's because they don't have a lot of fur. Cats have.
Yeah,
lots of
it makes you wonder. I guess it's just a different kind of animal.
fur. And besides, cats like to eat hamsters too.
Don't let the
What do you
cat.
think about those
The
sugar gliders or the what do they call
Sugar
them? The
bears.
pocket pets?
They're so cute.
Oh,
Oh, it's
Coming out.
And they got
coming out.
Hi, baby.
I don't know. Tempted to get one of those sugar gliders
They're
or
$150.
or the what do you call them? Pocket pets. They're really cute. They
Wait, should I put it in
little
my
marsupials, right? They're little. They're like,
Daddy,
they come from Australia, right?
it's been a long time since we've had hamsters, and I
Wow.
remember we've had hamsters for about 4 or 5 years. We used to get them a lot.
think they were cute? Those
Yeah, they like, and they went in bed, and they're like the 8 months, and it went, and
see how it jumped in the guy's pocket like
it went, and its tail's all curly.
Yeah. What's going on over here, huh?
We're introducing hamsters.
More hamsters.
This is Paisley. She's scared of it. Be careful, it might bite.
You want to give it some food?
Scared.
Oh, this is cute.
Caitlin, look, this is Paisley.
Look at me.
Say hi. Here,
It's a-
here, here, be careful.
How'd you guys like Chucky, you know what's today? Chucky Rats.
Chucky Rats. It was
Chucky,
fun.
Chuck E. Cheese, Chucky Rats.
It might bite you.
Here.
Oh, this is cute. Brianna, you are so lucky. I can't have hamsters because the cats or
Here, you
dogs
wanna
might
eat this?
them.
Oh no.
I know, that's horrible.
You might want a pocket pet. I'm gonna show you.
Oh gosh, Brianna, you're still stuck on
Okay.
Don't sit on the hamster.
I'm not. Ah, something's crawling on my butt.
Yeah.
It's called a hamster. It's gonna bite you.
Are you looking
Daddy, get it, Daddy.
Daddy, how do you spell sugar bears? How do you spell sugar bears?
Sugar bear. SUGAR.
Okay.
Bear.
Bear.
Somebody obviously didn't.
It smells like the pet shop. Where'd you get it?
I'm gonna show you a picture of a sugar bear. Oh my gosh, why does Honey Boo
I'm scared she's gonna like kill
Honey
it.
Boo Boo comes up when you search sugar bear?
What?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That was funny.
We might have some snow tonight.
Seriously?
And some snow Friday too.
I hope it snows tonight because I didn't do any
Yo.
homework yet. I'm just kidding.
Brittany.
Whoa.
I feel like sleeping in
They're not too bad.
until like 9 or something. No.
Wait, what? They're garden salsa.
Oh yeah, that's some good stuff over there.
You guys just a healthy
I had to get my I got my chia seeds again. I had to run and get some. I was running low on my supplies. So make sure I got some more, right?
Yep, see, we had a little feast here.
Daddy, you
Little
have to
feast.
watch the video on the iPad. I caught Caitlin
Yeah,
crying because you left her for a little bit.
And then that extra one will be in the middle right here. We're doing dodgeball.
That's
We're
cool.
the time already.
That's fun.
The baby's gonna mess everything up.
Well, the baby's on my team, so if you're gonna make fun of my teammates, I'm gonna slap you.
She's throwing the paper.
Get set, go.
Get the toilet paper.
Get it! Get it!
Let her at least have one roll, guys.
There.
Have a couple.
Right.
What's the matter?
My team member. Wait, how many do you have?
5.
Okay, we have 5. Good.
Caitlin, over here.
Go over there. Where's your teammate?
Come on,
Who's
Caitlin.
gonna get 3? Come here. Oh, Brianna. We each get 2 and then we throw this one with both of us.
Caitlin.
Wait, keep the toilet paper here. She has all
Bring it on, honey.